Many people believe that as advanced humanoid robots like Tesla's Optimus continue to improve, millions of jobs will eventually disappear. And honestly, that fear is not without reason. Think about when automated teller machines first came into use. A lot of bank tellers were no longer needed for simple transactions like cash withdrawals or deposits because machines could now handle those duties. That shift caused real job losses in the beginning. But what many people miss is that those same automated teller machines later made it possible for banks to expand and open more branches to gain a larger share of the market. In fact, the number of bank tellers ended up increasing over time. Now imagine the same kind of shift happening again. Having one or even a few Tesla Optimus robots helping with chores like vacuuming, cleaning windows, doing dishes, mopping floors, or even preparing meals is going to become more and more necessary. Elon Musk himself has confirmed that a major milestone will be reached by the year 2026. He said that you can instruct the Tesla bot to carry out many different tasks. Just think about that, being able to tell a robot to clean up or make something, and it simply gets to work. Hey there! If you're new to Amp Drive, welcome! We're still under 1,000 subscribers, so if you enjoy Tesla updates and future tech, hit that subscribe button. Now it really means a lot and helps us grow. Back to the Tesla. But this is not just a machine with fancy features. Its actual value goes far beyond the cost of buying it. So what exactly can Optimus do? And why should we trust it with our homes and lives? It's natural to have concerns. People worry about things like unexpected maintenance costs, power usage during idle time, or whether it can really work without needing to be reset or helped all the time. But here's the thing, Optimus Gen 3 is built to work longer than the average human work shift. Internal papers from Tesla say that the robot comes with a battery that holds 2.3 kilowatt-hours of energy. It uses around 100 watt when idle and goes up to 500 watt for tough tasks like lifting heavy objects or moving quickly. Tesla has not given the exact size or weight of the new battery pack in Gen 3, but it has been confirmed that Optimus now uses the 4680 cell, Tesla's most powerful and efficient battery tech so far. For instance, if this battery pack has around 2.5 kilowatt-hours of energy, Optimus could keep working for 10 hours before it needs a recharge. Compared to the batteries used in electric vehicles, Optimus needs less power. That's because many of its jobs are done standing in one place, and only a few tasks involve constant movement. Of course, if it moves around a lot or carries heavy things, the battery will drain faster. But Tesla is also working on a hot swap battery module. That means when the robot's battery runs low, you could take it out and put in a fully charged one within just a few minutes. This system would allow the robot to keep working without having to stop and wait. Think about how useful that would be in factories that run all day and night, in warehouses, or even in emergency situations like rescue operations or healthcare. Now imagine having your own personal robot companion. One that's helpful, friendly, and handles your chores. It could clean the house, mow the lawn, walk the dog, teach your children, watch over them while you're busy, and even assist in producing goods and services. Elon Musk has said over and over that this robot will be able to perform thousands of tasks. Right now, it has already crossed the 1,000 mark. Soon, with updates, it could handle 5,000 or even 10,000 different jobs. At the beginning, it might be able to cook 10 recipes. But with each update, that number can grow by 50, and eventually, it could cook nearly anything as long as you provide the ingredients. Here's something even more surprising: Optimus can recharge itself. We used to think you'd have to plug it in like an electric vehicle. But Tesla has shown us that the robot can find its charger on its own. It walks over to a wall-mounted charging dock that has a moving connector, lines itself up, and connects without any help from humans. Once fully charged, it disconnects and goes back to work. Because its battery is just under 3 kilowatt-hours, it charges much faster than a car, which often takes around 30 to 40 minutes. Tesla believes Optimus can get a full charge in just 10 minutes. That's fast enough to be ready between task cycles or shifts. Back in 2022, Tesla first introduced Optimus with a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery. At that time, the prototype used standard 2170 battery cells, since the 4680 cells weren't ready. That version of the robot looked bulky and lacked grace. But now, Optimus uses the 4680 battery cells, which are far better. These batteries are 5 times more energy dense than the older ones, and they also cost about 14% less to make. Because of smart engineering and new manufacturing methods, these batteries save space and power. That change had a huge impact. When Tesla added the new battery to Optimus, the robot became smaller and lighter. The second-generation Optimus lost 22 pounds, going from 160 pounds to 138 pounds. This made it easier to move, more balanced, and more efficient. Plus, the slightly bigger battery pack, close to 3 kilowatt-hours, means it can run up to 10 hours non-stop. And remember, you do not need to plug it in. In the recent video demo, Optimus shows how it finds and connects to the charger itself, using a special port. Once charging is complete, it disconnects and resumes its job. With wireless charging and such a compact battery, Optimus can fully recharge in 10 minutes. That's a massive improvement over traditional methods. Elon Musk keeps reminding people that Optimus is worth much more than what customers pay. One of its most exciting abilities is video learning. That means it can watch a video and learn from it, no need for long training or endless data. The robot watches how a task is done, practices it in its virtual model, corrects its own mistakes, and performs it in real life. A human may take days or weeks to learn how to cook a dish or fix a gadget. Optimus learns in minutes. Take cooking a steak as an example. Optimus watches a chef on video, repeats the action virtually, and after millions of virtual attempts, it learns to get it right 99% of the time. Then, it can actually do it in your kitchen. You can even teach it yourself. Show it how to fold a shirt. If it does something wrong, just correct it with a simple instruction. No, fold this side first, and it will understand and remember. Even better, when one Optimus learns something, that skill is shared with all other Optimus robots instantly. This is called collaborative learning. If one robot masters a dance move or a cleaning technique, they all do. Imagine 1,000 robots learning one new thing each per day. That's 1,000 new abilities added daily. Elon Musk has talked about using Optimus on Mars. Most recently, he posted that Starship could carry Optimus to Mars as early as next year. If those missions go well, human landings could begin around the year 2029 or maybe 2031. These robots would help with tasks like analyzing minerals, finding water, setting up power systems, or preparing shelters. Unlike other robots like Curiosity, which rely on satellite navigation, Optimus does not need GPS. It uses two-dimensional camera systems to navigate, which work well even on a planet like Mars with rocks and dust everywhere. Recent tests showed Optimus walking up stairs and over rough ground. It may not move fast, but it moves steadily, which is just what we need in such environments. The most impressive part is its brain-the artificial intelligence behind the body. It can think, learn, and make decisions based on what it sees and experiences. It can help build stations, set up tools, and do jobs that would be hard or unsafe for humans. But how will Optimus recharge on Mars? That remains a challenge. Still, if Musk can solve that part, the possibilities are endless. Back here on Earth, what kind of work can Optimus Gen 3 actually do in your daily life? The newest demo videos from Tesla show it taking care of regular household duties. It waters plants, brings in parcels, wipes down kitchen counters, and carries groceries from the car to the cupboard. It is not just a cool device. Tesla wants Optimus to be a real part of the household. It can watch over children, talk with elderly family members, and provide company when needed. It already holds basic conversations that sound natural, and it entertains children or comforts older adults. This is not a robot that just sits in the corner and fits right into the family routine. Some people worry about hygiene. If a robot takes out the trash and then makes lunch, how clean are its hands? That's a valid question. Tesla designed the grippers on Optimus to be similar to human hands using a tendon-based system. They are built with materials that can resist water and soap and may even reduce germs. Tesla has clearly thought about cleanliness. And the best part, you do not have to spend days programming it. You do not need to teach it using long lines of code. Just show it a short video. The robot's brain will figure out the steps, understand the goal, and carry out the task. It even understands body language. Point at a cup, and it knows what you want. Wave at something, and it reacts. Tesla built its own artificial intelligence chip called Dojo D1X to power this brain. The same system that powers Tesla's self-driving technology now gives life to Optimus. You can reserve Optimus now. Tesla plans to begin limited deliveries in the middle of 2026. The starting price is around $35,000 United States dollars. And once production grows, Elon Musk says the price could drop to under $20,000 United States dollars within 2 years. At first, people thought Tesla would only use Optimus in their own factories. But Elon Musk announced that by the year 2025, Tesla will start using thousands of Optimus robots internally. He believes the only way forward for manufacturing is with lots of smart, flexible machines. Tesla's factories already use big robots and machines, but they are stuck in place and do only one job. Musk wants to take the next step with Optimus robots that move around and do many different tasks. Tesla is not keeping this a secret. In a recent video, Optimus is shown moving through a working factory, avoiding people and machines, understanding its environment, and staying productive. The labor market today is short by over 300,000 workers in manufacturing and around 600,000 to 700,000 in warehousing and shipping. Robots like Optimus could be the answer. So, would you trust an intelligent robot like Optimus to handle your chores, from cleaning the floor and cooking meals to watching your kids? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you want more exciting updates about Tesla bots and electric vehicles, please hit the like button and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to Amp Drive and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest stories. We truly appreciate your support, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.